Welcome to Module 12, Lesson 5. Our I can statement is, I can record the steps when adding two-digit numbers. So in this lesson, we're going to look at adding numbers again. Go ahead and turn to page 291. Right, let's look at our first problem. Omar and Lauren use blocks to build towers. Omar uses 36 blocks. Lauren uses 27 more blocks than Omar. How many blocks does Lauren use? When we're adding, we need to remember we're starting with the ones place. Step A asks us to add the ones. 6 plus 7. We have a lot of facts we can use to help us solve, but I might use that doubles fact to help me solve in my head. I know that 6 plus 6 is 12. If 7 is 1 more than 6, then I know my answer is 1 more than 12, which is 13. Now let's look at this answer. Do we need to regroup? We have 13 ones. If you said yes, you're correct. We do need to regroup our 13 ones. Letter C asks us to regroup. 13 ones is equal to how many tens and how many ones? 13 is equal to 1 10 and 3 ones. We need to record our 3 ones in the ones place and our 1 10 in the tens place. Remember, we're going to need to add it to the other tens. So now we'll add our tens. We have 3 add-ins now because we regrouped that 1 10. We have 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 2 tens. I know that 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. So our answer is 63 blocks. Right, let's look at our next problem now. We're just adding 49 and 38. The first step we're going to take is to add the ones. But before we do that, we need to decide, are we going to need to regroup? Let's look at our problem. We have 9 ones plus 8 ones. Are we going to need to regroup? If you said yes, you're correct. And why do we need to regroup? 9 ones plus 8 ones is equal to 17 ones. Because there are more than 9 ones, we need to regroup. So let's go ahead and show that. 17 ones is equal to 1 10 and 7 ones. We'll record our 7 ones in the ones place and our 1 10 in the tens place. Right, we've added our ones, so now we just need to add our tens. 1 plus 4 plus 3. I see I can make a doubles fact if I add 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 4 is 8. So my sum is 87. All right, go ahead and complete the check understanding. Pause the video if you need any more time to solve. It asks us to add and regroup only if we need to. When I look at this first problem, 36 plus 57, I start in the ones place. 6 ones plus 7 ones is equal to 13 ones, so I need to regroup. 1 10 plus 3 tens plus 5 tens. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 5 more is 9. So my answer is 93. Let's look at number 2. Starting with the ones place, 4 plus 5 is 9. Do we need to regroup? We have nothing to regroup because our answer is equal to 9 ones. So we add our tens. 5 tens plus 2 tens is 7 tens.